Our aged bronze finish is manufactured from solid bronze containing a minimum of 85% copper. This finish starts off extremely dark with a rich matte look due to the process used to age the metal. However, the finish will gradually lighten over time with use, revealing the warmer copper undertones and achieving contrasting depth of character. Our aged bronze products are most complemented by a painted finish, contrasting perfectly with light shades and dark colours alike. For accompanying products, we recommend using our polished bronze finish.